two parallel lines, one simple intersection point, and a result that quietly governs proportions all across geometry. At first glance, this figure looks harmless, but hidden inside it is one of the most powerful theorems you will ever learn, Thales' theorem. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will not only understand it, you will be able to prove it yourself. We consider two parallel lines that are intersected at points A and C on the first line, and at points B and D on the second line, by two secant lines that meet at a common point M, exactly as shown in the attached figure. Our goal is to demonstrate Thales' theorem using this geometric configuration. In this configuration, since the lines AC and BD are parallel, and since the lines AB and CD intersect at point M, Thales' theorem states that the ratios of the corresponding segments are equal. In other words, MA divided by MB equals MC divided by MD, which is equal to AC divided by BD. To prove this result, we consider triangles MAC and MBD. First, observe that the measure of angle AMC is equal to the measure of angle BMD, because they are both measures of a common angle formed at point M. We record this as our first angle equality. Next, we consider the two parallel lines AC and BD and the secant line MB. By the theorem of alternate interior and corresponding angles that we've used in one of the previously published videos, that the measure of angle MAC is equal to the measure of angle MBD. This gives us a second angle equality. Similarly, considering again the two parallel lines AC and BD and the secant line MC, we deduce that the measure of angle MCA is equal to the measure of angle MDB. This gives us a third angle equality. Since triangles MAC and MBD have three pairs of equal angles, then they are similar triangles. From the similarity of these triangles, we can directly deduce the equality of the ratios of their corresponding sides. MA divided by MB equals MC divided by MD equals AC divided by BD. This completes this short proof of Thales' theorem. With nothing more than parallel lines intersecting secants and angle relationships, we have just demonstrated one of the most fundamental results in geometry. Thales' theorem is not just a formula. It is a powerful geometric insight that appears everywhere, from basic constructions to advanced mathematics. If this proof helped you see geometry more clearly, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me where you would like to see Thales' theorem applied next. Geometry becomes truly beautiful when you understand why it works. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.